The Forester Chainsaw Sharpening Kit has everything you need to file a saw chain. Unlike a lot of our industry competitors, we use Forester chainsaw files that are Swiss-made exclusively by Vallorbe, voted the #1 chainsaw file manufacturer in the world and is the #1 file used by professionals worldwide. Our kit includes 2 premium Swiss-made round chainsaw files, 1 universal wood file handle, 1 premium Swiss-made 6-inch flat file, 2 universal file guides, and 1 instruction sheet. The kit comes in a roll-up carry-in package and it is available in 5/32, 3/16, 11/64, 13/64, and 7/32 file sizes. The Forester Chainsaw Sharpening Kit is versatile, compact, and has everything you need to get the job done on the go. When you want quality, ask for Forester.